Hello and welcome to the video. Today we'll show you how to install a roof rack system for vehicles with raised roof rails. Before we begin the installation, let's quickly explain what a raised roof rail is. Raised roof rails are factory installed rails that sit above the vehicle's roof, leaving a visible gap between the rail and the roof surface. This design allows roof rack crossbars to mount directly onto the rails using dedicated brackets. Once you confirm that your vehicle has raised roof rails, we can move on to the installation process. Open and gather all the tools needed for the installation. Start by unlocking the caps on the head unit, then insert all the head units into the aluminum profiles. Place the head unit on the raised rail, align it carefully, and position it securely in place. Make sure the protruding part of the aluminum profile is facing toward the back. This helps reduce noise while driving. Very important, tighten each side gradually using the Allen key, little by little until fully secure. Tighten the yellow knob on the head unit to secure the connection between the head unit and aluminum profile once they are properly aligned. Insert the key into the plastic cap, turn to open, place it on the headset, then lock it securely. Hold the roof rack and shake it rapidly to check security. If installed correctly, the vehicle will move, not the rack. And this is how the roof rack looks once it's fully installed. For more details and compatibility information, please check the description below. Thanks for watching.